Think you're too old or too out of shape for hiking? Think again. It's one of the easiest, safest, and most rewarding ways to boost your energy, build stamina, and reconnect with nature at any age. We're talking gentle hiking, folks. A walk in the park, not climbing Mount Everest. Hey folks, welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers, where we explore the outdoors one adventure at a time. Today we're covering how to start gentle hiking, even if you've never hiked before. We'll go over trail tips, gear, stretches, and personal encouragement to get you walking with confidence. So, slap on your shoes, grab your water bottle, and let's get started. Crikey, it's a beautiful day for a walk. Good day, everyone. Now you might be thinking, hiking? Me? I spend more time chasing grandkids than chasing trails. Well, let me tell you, gentle hiking is about more than just reaching a destination. It's about enjoying the journey at your own pace.
So why hiking? Because it's low impact, doesn't require expensive gear, and lets you control the pace. Whether you're looking to stay active, lower your stress, or simply enjoy some fresh air, gentle hiking is ideal for older adults and anyone easing into fitness. And the beauty of it is, you can start right in your neighborhood. A stroll around the block, a loop around the park, that's gentle hiking too.
It's about getting those legs moving and that heart pumping. Remember, we're not trying to break any speed records here, we're just enjoying the great outdoors one step at a time. And as you get stronger, you can gradually challenge yourself with hillier trails or longer distances. But for now, let's focus on those first few steps. Because every journey, no matter how big or small, starts with a single step. So, are you ready to take yours? Let's go. Alright mates, now that you're ready to hit the trail, let's find the perfect one for you. And trust me, you don't need to trek into the wilderness to find a great hike. Start with your local parks, nature reserves, or even botanical gardens.
When you're starting out, choose easy, well-marked trails with loop routes and minimal elevation. Look for parks or nature preserves with beginner-friendly paths. Trails near water or with shaded trees make for a more relaxing experience. Now before you head out, check the trail conditions online or give the park a call. You want to make sure the trails are open and accessible. And always tell someone where you're going and when you expect to be back. Safety first, always.
Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations either. Your local hiking club or even the folks at the park office can point you in the right direction for those hidden gems. Remember, the best trail is the one that brings you joy. So, explore your options, find a trail that speaks to you, and get ready for an adventure. Now let's talk gear. And don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to get started. For gentle hiking, it's all about comfort and practicality. You don't need expensive hiking boots to get started. Supportive walking shoes, a water bottle, and a lightweight backpack go a long way.
Here's what I always bring on my hikes. First things first, comfortable shoes are a must. You don't need fancy hiking boots, just a pair of supportive shoes that fit well and can handle a bit of uneven terrain. Next up, a lightweight backpack. This is where you'll store your essentials. Water, snacks, a light jacket, maybe a first aid kit. And speaking of water, always bring more than you think you'll need. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially on warmer days. A hat and sunscreen are your best mates when it comes to sun protection. And don't forget a small first aid kit for those minor bumps and scrapes. Remember, it's always better to be prepared.
Alright, before we hit the trail, let's get those muscles warmed up and ready to go.
Just like a wildlife warrior prepares for an encounter, we need to prepare our bodies for the adventure ahead.
Before you hit the trail, loosen up with a few simple stretches. This helps prevent tightness, especially in your legs and lower back.
Start with some ankle rolls, then move on to hamstring stretches. Reach for your toes, gently swing your legs, and don't forget those shoulder rolls.
We want to loosen up those joints and get the blood flowing. Think of it like this. We're waking up our muscles and telling them, get ready for some action.
A few minutes of stretching can make all the difference in preventing injuries and ensuring a more enjoyable hike.
And remember, listen to your body. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. There's no need to push yourself too hard, especially when you're just starting out. Well, we're finally here, folks. Time to hit the trail.
Remember, this is your adventure, so go at your own pace and enjoy the journey. On the trail, go at your own pace. Pause often. Sip water every 15 to 20 minutes. Use a walking stick if it helps with balance. Take breaks on benches or logs to soak in the views.
Take your time, breathe in that fresh air, and soak in the scenery. Listen to the birds chirping, feel the breeze on your face. These are the moments that make hiking so special.
And don't forget to pack some snacks. Trail mix, fruit energy bars, a little something to keep your energy levels up. Remember, hiking is hungry work.
Most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the company of your fellow hikers, or if you're flying solo, embrace the peace and quiet of nature. This is your time to relax, recharge, and reconnect with the great outdoors. Congratulations, mate, you've completed your first gentle hike. Now let's talk about making this a regular part of your routine.
Try to hike once or twice a week to start. Even 20 to 30 minutes can help improve your stamina over time. The key is consistency, not speed. Start with shorter hikes and gradually increase the distance or difficulty as you feel stronger. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.
And don't be afraid to mix things up. Explore different trails, invite friends or family along, or even join a hiking group. The more you hike, the more your stamina will improve and the more confident you'll become.
Trust me, there's nothing quite like the feeling of conquering a trail and knowing you're getting stronger with every step. So what are you waiting for? Lace up those shoes and get out there. The trails are calling.
You know, folks, hiking isn't just about physical fitness, it's about mental well-being too. There's something truly special about immersing yourself in nature that rejuvenates the soul.
When I first got back into hiking, I was a little nervous. Would I tire out too quickly? But every week got easier, and now it's something I look forward to. You'll be amazed what a little fresh air and movement can do for your mood and your confidence.
The fresh air, the sights, the sounds, it's a sensory experience that melts away stress and leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's like hitting the reset button on life.
And the best part? Nature doesn't judge. It welcomes everyone with open arms, regardless of age, fitness level, or experience. So, get out there and reconnect with the natural world. You won't regret it.
Well, folks, we've reached the end of our trail today. Remember, gentle hiking is for everyone. It's about enjoying the journey, connecting with nature, and improving your health and well-being one step at a time. Thanks for walking with me today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more outdoor adventures, and leave a comment below. What trail are you planning to try this week? I'll see you on the next one, right here on Over the Hill Yackers. So get out there, explore those trails, and embrace the beauty of the great outdoors. And remember, as I always say, crikey, isn't nature amazing?